Paris back here from freethechicway.com. Today we are going to get ready with me. I'm going to do a makeup look. Super easy because, girl, I am not a makeup artist or a professional. I am a makeup enthusiast. And I'm using everything from e.l.f. Cosmetics today. So let's get started. So it's super affordable. I featured all these products in a e.l.f. haul that I did on the blog a couple months ago. I was supposed to film this look for you guys, but you know, life happens. You might hear the kids in the background. This is real life, okay? Not in no fancy studio. She's in her bathroom downstairs. The kids are out there playing Fortnite. So let's get into it. I don't wear foundation. I've said that time and time again on the blog. I don't have the patience for it. I don't need it. Okay? And I'm going to tell you who told me I don't need foundation. Years ago when I worked at Essence Magazine, this was like 2012, Josh was a baby. I was still breastfeeding, and back then, he wasn't Beyonce's artist back then, but Beyonce's makeup artist now, Sir John, came into our offices for a shoot. And back then, contouring was like the new trend in makeup, and I asked him how I should contour, and he told me to go and buy blush from MAC. That would be a perfect contour for me, not too harsh. And then he looked at my face and he was like, "You wear foundation?" I was like, "No." He was like, "You don't need to." I was like, okay. So ever since then, I've taken care of my skin, and Sir John, Beyonce's makeup artist, told me in 2012 that I don't need to wear foundation. But anyway, besides that, just being silly, but it's a true story. I just don't have the patience for it to be blending and making sure it matches, and I'm pale in the winter and then darker in the summer. I don't got time for this, honey, and foundation is pretty expensive. So if you wear foundation, this look, I guess you would have to, you know, find your perfect shade and wear it. But I just wear concealer because motherhood has done a number on my eyes. So I'm going to start with the concealer. I'm going to be looking over here because my products are here. And then I'm going to use this mirror to apply stuff so I can see because, girl, she's blind, okay? Like, blind. Another thing I wanted to mention, I don't do my brows, like, fill them in with anything. Because once again, I don't have the patience for that. Like, I get my brows threaded once a month or once, you know, depends on if I want to grow them out thicker, then I let them grow out like for 6 weeks. I recently got them done like last weekend, and that's the most I will do is like put some clear setting brow gel on it to keep the hairs in place, but I don't have time to be drawing it in. Girl, please. I'll only wear foundation, brows, all these things if I'm going to an artist, a makeup artist for an event or something and getting a full face beat. Do you hear the boys? Like, I told them to be quiet. I'm filming. Like, no one cares. Anyway, so I'm going to start with this foundation. Look at me. This concealer, it's the shade medium. I think it's like $3, okay? $3, girl. It's almost done. Like, I've been using it since I got it. Like, it's time to get a new one. What I'll do is I'll start on the side of my nose and just bring it under my eye. And then I have some redness around my nose I like to cover up because eczema, being pale, the struggle is real. You know what I'm saying? So it's Sunday. I'm filming this on a Sunday. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna cook for dinner. And I'm not even going anywhere. I'm just filming this video because I know that it needs to be done. And content, honey, we're a blogger. We need to have content. So then I'll go here and cover up some zits, and then I get the redness around my mouth as well. So I'll just do that. So this is what I'm looking like. Okay. You could already see the color coming back into my skin, the creaminess. Now, I am a glow queen, okay? Like, I already prepped my face. I washed it, put my moisturizer and toner on before I came down here to film. So those are key things you need to do to prep your skin for a glowy look. You know, start from the your moisturizer, all that stuff. Oh my God, I forgot to even put my glow lotion on. Anyway, so this is the concealer. I'm going to blend this out with this e.l.f. stipple brush. Now my brushes are dirty because I wore makeup like the past 2 days and I didn't wash them. I know Makeup Shayla says that you're supposed to wash your brushes or clean them after every use. I ain't got time for that. So since I'm doing makeup, I like to, you know, get use out of the face. I'm not going anywhere today, but maybe I'll shoot a couple looks for the blog since I went and put all this makeup on my damn face, just sit in the house. But blending is key. I don't like my concealer to be cakey, so I'm going to be blending for like the next 2 or 3 minutes. I blend and blend and blend. And when I blend, I bring it down so that it's like I'm wearing foundation and covering up all my imperfections, especially around my nose, this mouth area. Women of color, you know, tend to get darker around here. So what I wish I had, which I don't, from e.l.f. is a concealer setting powder, but I don't have one from them. Maybe I'll pick that up when I go pick up another bottle of that concealer that I love so much. I'll get like a setting powder. So this is pretty much blended to perfection to me. My face looks even, it looks one color. All my discolorations are covered up. What I'll do is take the excess on the brush and just bring it over here in my forehead to make it look, you know, like I'm doing something. I don't really know. This is how I like to see myself. It may not be the right techniques, trust me. I'm sure it's not. I'm sure some makeup artists will comment and say, girl, what is you doing? But this is how I like to see myself. So if you will wear foundation, I guess you would have put your foundation on first, then put your concealer, or put the concealer on first and then foundation. I don't know. But if you wear foundation, this would be your step to, you know, put your foundation on, fill in your brows, do all those things. I'm just blending and blending and blending. Since I'm not wearing foundation, I don't want any harsh lines. So let me get closer for you. Look at that skin, honey. So that's that, right? Now I'm going to add some color. My blush, my highlighter, my whatever. You know, I don't know. What am I doing? So here's the thing with the contour. When I went to buy the products, I went to 2 different stores. One girl gave me this, cream contour palette. It's called St. Lucia. It has cream contour, cream blush. And then I went back because I didn't know how to work with this stuff. And I got the powder, and this is in Fiji. So this is a powder contour, powder blush. It's very similar in color, but the texture and consistency of the products are different. I use this every time I wear makeup because it's easier for me to apply and I know how to work with it. And I don't know how to really work with this cream, but I'm going to do one side with the cream and one side with the powder just to play with you guys on the video, you know. So what I'll do is I'll take an angled brush like this. See how it's tapered? And then I'll take the dark bronzing color to get it on my brush. I'll do this and I'll go right under my bone and apply it. And I'll bring it up here as well so that it's like a boom, boom, like that. But when you're doing it here, you got to blend it well and take it into your hairline as well. You see the difference? No contour, contour. It just gives you a little something. Then I'll do the same thing on the other side, but on the other side, I'll take it up to my forehead as well. On the other side, I'll try to use this cream thing. I have just hair sitting, collecting dust. But I'll go in like that. So boom. That's that. Let's try the cream. Watch me look crazy. But makeup, I've learned, is all about trial and error. And, you know, finding your rhythm, finding your technique, finding your products. So she told me to use the stipple brush for the cream. That's why it wasn't working for me. I was using the wrong brush, apparently. So I'm going to take the same stipple brush I used for my concealer. Oh my God, this is so thick. This is not going to come out good, just so you know. No. But maybe I need to blend it more. Oh my God, why did I do this? I knew this wasn't gonna come out good. Compared to that side, like that side's like a subtle, a little something, a little subtlety. This is like, I don't like it, but I'm trying to blend it out as best I can. I will not be using the cream blush, I'm telling you right now, because it's probably going to be too harsh of a, you know. So then I'll just take it up to my forehead. I don't know how to contour my nose and all that. Like, people be doing too much, okay? Like, it's your face. Like, you don't like it, what do you like? I don't know. So this is the most I'll do for contour. This cream is a lot on me, I feel. So we're not going to be using that again. I'll prefer the powder one. So then I'll go back to the powder one. Big fluffy brush. And I'll take the blush color. This is the Fiji palette, so I guess it's called Fiji. And I'll smile like this. You see these little points of your cheek. Hit those one time for me. One time. Then I'll bring it up. It's buildable, so you can put as much or as little as you want to. Okay, give them the fake smile. And then I'll take it up to my forehead to add some color there, because we have a lot of real estate up here. Don't be afraid to put some color up there as well. So I think that's flush enough for me, okay? I don't need to be looking like I'm flushed all day. Just a little color, a little, another, you know, just something, just a little something. Like, this is already giving me a vibe, because I like to be glowy AF. Now I'm gonna put my eyeliner on. I love a blue eyeliner, so I got this one from them. It's called Teal Tease. It's a cream eyeliner. I'm not very good with it yet, so I might have to go off camera and do this so y'all don't laugh at me. But I'll take a little brush like this and apply it to my top line, my top eye line up here. So I'll be back, because I don't know if this is going to come out good on camera, and I don't need stress. So I applied the eyeliner off camera because, like I said, it's hard for me to work with. The consistency of this is a cream, like I said, and it's a lot. I usually put it on my waterline, but I figured I'll go on top today. I don't know, honey. I'm just giving y'all something. So it looks like that. I'm going to go in now with a mascara. This is the Black Diamond Eye Enhancing Mascara. So I'm going to apply that to my top and bottom. Now you can apply lashes if that's what you feel you need. A good strip lash never hurt anyone. But I'm going to go in with like 2 or 3 coats of mascara. That's what I usually do for my everyday. This is like a everyday look. Don't forget your bottom lashes. Just on the highest part of your cheek, allegedly you're supposed to put this. And I go here. And then the other side. Girl. Then I'll go down the middle of my face like this. I'm gonna add more, like, who are we kidding? Sometimes I put it on my brow bone to give me a little something up in there. You know what I'm saying? Hit your brow bone one time if you feel. I'm gonna take this glow lotion from them and add it on top. You're supposed to put it before, but I forgot. So I'm gonna add it now. You're supposed to put this under the makeup, but I totally skipped this step, so. Sometimes I'll take a fluffier highlighter brush and just make sure everything's blended. Big on blending, so that it looks more natural. Then I'm gonna set it. This is the Illuminating Mist and Set. So this also has glow properties in it, because if you want to glow, everything has to glow with you. So this is the illuminating one. They have one that doesn't have any illumination. That will just set your makeup, but this will set it with a glow. And then I'm going to apply my lip gloss. This is the e.l.f. Alyssa Ashley collaboration lip gloss. I don't know if it's still available. I got it a while ago, but it's like the perfect everyday nude. And it's like a rosy, peachy mauve. I don't know. It's definitely like a, it's not a pink nude. It's a rosy, like a mauvey nude, like a, I don't know how to explain it. Okay. And I love it. It's like a great everyday glossy lip. And that completes this look, guys. What do you think? I could add more mascara, but I think this works. What do you think? Glow on. Did you see how the makeup spray just intensified everything? It's like so good. I could put some liner down there too. But this is okay for now, because like I said, I ain't going nowhere. That's my look. All e.l.f. products. My favorite products from this whole thing. The concealer. $3. You can't beat that. I love the consistency of it. How it applies, how it blends out. The Glow Lotion. If I would have used it the right way. Second favorite. Usually after I put the moisturizer on my face, then I put this and it just intensifies the glow. That's my second favorite. And then, who are we kidding? The highlighter is my third favorite. So of everything I got, these are my 3 favorite products. And yeah, I've been using them every day to go to work, to go out. These are the things I've been using lately and I love them. I haven't broken out. I think their products are all natural and vegan friendly. So, happy Sunday, guys. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, and have a great week. Thanks so much for watching.